Hey guys, welcome to a quick unboxing. Let's get into it already. We got the Pixel 9 Pro. The black is probably the least wanted color, I suppose. If you want the white one or whatever, I know that has a special name, but the white one has the longest shipping times, followed by the hazel. And I thought the hazel should have been the longest times because I think it's the best color. I got this on Saturday and I ordered it maybe 3 days before. So that's how quick it was to get the black one. Pretty easy. And I'll tell you my thoughts on why I got the black one. I didn't just get the black one because it was the quickest, although that was a big reason why I got it. Pixel 9 Pro, slim box. And there we have the device already. USB-C to USB-C. Packets, information, SIM ejector tool. Now let's get to the phone. Trying to open this nicely. Yeah. The dreams of being nicely opened are gone. This is the black colorway. Here we got the power button and the volume rocker. Beautiful finish. A lot of people would have liked it if the sides were matte black and the glass in the back was like more clear, but I like the way this is. It feels nice in the hand. The back feels nice, and I actually like the rails look more premium, even though they're gonna get more fingerprints. They look a lot more premium. And then on the top we just have what appears to be is probably a microphone port and an antenna right here. Nothing on this whole side besides this antenna line. And at the bottom we have the microphone, speaker, USB-C charging port, and the SIM card slot. And in the back, of course, we have the Pro model, so we have all of the cameras and the flash back there as well, telephoto camera. And that is about it. Quickest unboxing ever. Hey, Kirk the editor here, editing this video in the car right now. I never did mention why I got black, so I'm actually going to put it in right now. I have the S24 in silver. I think it's a really cool color. It's really nice. But, and I enjoy the rails being silver. They look really cool. This is the rails right here. Pretty cool. But I don't like how when you're looking at your phone, there's like a silver railing on the outside. I have a case, so it doesn't really matter if you're getting a case. Most of the time it doesn't matter. Imagine watching TV and you have like a silver outlining on the outside of the TV. It's a little distracting. Not a big deal though. I just wanted to add my thoughts on why I prefer the darker colored devices. That's why I got black.